Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix Wi-Fi problem in your Poco C61 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings like this. Then friends, you have to come to the apps feature, click on see all apps, and here you have to click on three dots, click on show system apps, and here it is search bar. You have to click on system and you have to first clear cache this system settings, Android system. Press back and then you have to write system. Here it is system, Android system intelligence. You have to clear cache this like this and press back. You have to also do clear cache of career services. So you have to type here Google and just simply swipe down, and here you find Google Play services. You have to click on storage and clear cache, click on clear cache, and you have to press back. Then second time you have to go to your settings, swipe down, click on system. Here it is reset option. Then you have to click on reset Wi-Fi. Click on reset. You can see Wi-Fi has been reset successfully and your problem will be 100% solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.